So everyone is talking about AI agents doing that, doing this, do your work, right? But you and me know, nothing is free in this world. So how are they going to pay for the stuff that they need? Because everyone needs to pay. I pay my taxes, the agent needs to pay his stuff as well. How does it work? Think about the problem quickly. So agents need to pay for stuff, but agents are not humans, they cannot do KYC. And you're imagining a world where millions of agents interact with people, help society economically, etc. Right? That's the thesis. So they cannot have bank accounts or pay with cash or, I don't know, Venmo people, right? Not gonna work out. So the only thing that makes sense is crypto. One wallet, another wallet, send a transaction. There's nothing in between except the chain, and that's it. So this is the perfect railway, or it's not my word, I think Y Combinator said that. It's the only railway that agents can actually commerce. All right, so since we established why crypto makes sense, now how does it work? You probably heard it, X402. Everyone's talking about it, meme coins is popping out. Don't buy them, has nothing to do with it. No financial advice. But what is exactly 402? So let's talk about it. Okay, so I have a couple images with me to make it a bit more visual. So I have this actually from JRP, shout out to you. But a vending machine is a very good example to understand how the protocol works. So let's say we have Tom. Tom is a swordman, he is in a battle, right? He needs a potion. In this moment, he needs a potion. Good thing is that Jessie is a potion master and she has potions to sell. So she puts the potion in the vending machine, and in our case, the vending machine is basically the X4, let's say X402 Protocol. And John, what was his name? Tom or John? Whatever. Wants to buy the potion. Here comes the catch. So the protocol first asks for a payment. It can be usually USDC on Base and Solana, and only then John can get his potion. So John creates a transaction and authorizes the protocol to take, for example, 1 USDC from his account. It does it. It sends the 1 USDC to Jessie, and only then, when transaction happens, John gets the potion. And that's how John interacted with Jessie to buy the potion. The potion is symbolic. It can be an API call, it can be information, it can be a task, it can be a job, whatever. How we have API calls as developers, or as, let's say, before, now agents can have the X402, I don't know how you say it actually, it's 402 protocol to basically commerce between each other, but also can be, doesn't have to be agent, it can also be the commerce around on the internet in general. I can also, for example, buy the potion by logging into my account, to my wallet, and then call the same vending machine and then buy this potion for myself as well. It's very technical, no one cares really how it works. What it matters is that it enables a lot of, basically solves one of the biggest problems out there, which is transaction or commerce between the agents. And why I'm talking about it is because we are implementing it within our platform as well, the Solana integration of it, and that is going to allow, or the vision is to allow to different agents to be able to interact with each other depending on their needs. So for example, you can build the best Stoicism agent who acts like Marcus Aurelius, and if someone else built let's say a fun, adventurous Dungeon Dragon agent, and at some point he needs Marcus Aurelius in his storyline, so he pings Marcus Aurelius agent to basically bring into his storyline, and to ping him, Marcus Aurelius creator can monetize his agent through the protocol, we allow it. So you can say, hey, it costs 0.001 cent to call my Marcus Aurelius because he's really good at being stoic. To summarize, for agents to be able to make actual impact, they need to be able to participate in our world economically as well. 2, luckily, the resource or the solution is there, the X402 protocol, because there's no other railway of payment for agents rather than crypto. Bank, fiat, Venmo, not gonna work. 3, the protocol is not new. I think it was introduced 6 months ago by Coinbase. Recently, Google integrated it or like an add-on for the A2A communication framework as well. So it got a lot of backing, and it is basically getting the hype right now, which makes a lot of sense because it's a very good one, very good protocol. 4, how you want to integrate it. Coinbase has MCP, Tether has MCP, Tether has also Nexus. And 5, we're building as well, or we're implementing that as well in our product. So stay tuned to the next update. Thank you very much and happy building.